Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We divide both sides by dy. Now we need to open parentheses of this one. And you got about negative y plus 2xy. Next, I will put negative y go to the right, and you got about positive y. We have s, and we have first derivative of the function of s, so we can use about integrating factor. So I will choose about mu y. And this is equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that 2y next to s, that's about integrating factor. The integration of 2y, you got about y squared. That means we need to multiply both sides by this one. Now we put the integrations for the both sides. Now we can apply about the product rule of the derivative. So we know that first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we look carefully, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v, and this is about 2y e to the power of y squared. That's about first derivative of e to the power of y squared in here, multiplied by s. So the integration of this one, you got about uv. That means the integration of this one, we have s e to the power of y squared. Now I will concentrate about this integration. Now we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to y squared in here. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about 2y dy. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Y dy we change by du over number 2. The integration of this one, we have 1 over 2 e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about y squared. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Next, we divide both sides by this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.